Unlocking your next cinematic masterpiece is just a few AI prompts away. Ever dreamed of creating your own short film or trailer, but felt overwhelmed by the visual storytelling? Today, we're diving into Leonardo AI to show you exactly how to transform your story ideas into stunning visual concepts and develop compelling cinematic narratives. Fire up your imagination, because we're about to make movie magic. Our first step is brainstorming. Think about the core of your story. What's the genre? Who are your characters? What's the central conflict or mood? Let's say we want to create a trailer for a cyberpunk detective story. We'll hop into Leonardo AI and start generating images that capture the essence of our world. For our initial prompt, we might try something like a gritty, neon-lit cyberpunk alleyway at night with rain reflecting the lights. Once Leonardo generates some initial visuals, study them. Do these images spark more ideas? We can then refine our prompts. For our detective, we might generate a character portrait, a weary detective with cybernetic implants, looking out a rain-streaked window in a dimly lit apartment. This gives us our protagonist's look and feel. Now, let's think about storyboarding. Even without drawing, you can use Leonardo AI to create the visuals for your storyboard. Think scene by scene. What's the opening shot? How do we introduce the mystery? We can prompt for an exterior shot of a monolithic, imposing corporate building casting a long shadow over the city. This establishes the antagonist's domain. For a more intimate, investigative scene, we could prompt a dimly lit, dusty archive room with holographic blueprints flickering in the air, a lone figure carefully examining a data crystal. This creates a sense of discovery and intrigue for our trailer. To build excitement for a trailer, we need impactful moments. Think about the climax or key action sequences. Prompts like a high-speed hovercar chase through rain-slicked neon canyons, or a tense standoff between a detective and a rogue AI in a dark server room, can generate the dramatic visuals you need to make your trailer pop. By iterating on your prompts and exploring different visual styles within Leonardo AI, you can effectively build a visual language for your short film or trailer, from establishing shots to character reveals and thrilling action beats. Leonardo AI empowers you to bring your cinematic vision to life, one stunning image at a time.